Okay, so welcome back, and now let's talk about speed. So we normally talk about miles per hour, but in the metric system, commonly we can talk about kilometers per hour or meters per second, right? If you're talking about scientific engineering, we talk about meters per second a lot of times. So here are some conversion factors. So what you can remember is 100 kilometers per hour is approximately equal to 62 miles per hour. And so here are the two more accurate conversions that's related to this, right? So here, 1 kilometer is approximately equal to 6.619 miles, okay? So again, if you multiply both sides by 100, you get this up here, okay? And then if you want to go, the other conversion factor is to go the other way. So 1 mile is the same as 1.609 approximately 1.609 kilometers. It's actually, I think, 1.60934 or 32 kilometers. But this is accurate. This is what a lot of textbooks will use. If you go online and stuff like that, you might get something accurate. But a lot of times, these are the two conversion factors that you're going to see in a textbook or a PDF or something like that. So what we can do is we could use these to help us convert to different compound units. So for example, if I have 1360 centimeters per second, right? So let's start with that. So that's our beginning, 1360 centimeters per second. And now we want to go from that to meters per minute. So we've got to change the centimeters to meters, and we got to change the seconds to minutes. Okay, and it doesn't matter which one we do first, as long as we just keep track of everything. So let's do the seconds first. Usually we start at the top. Usually I start at the numerator. Let's start with the denominator. So I want to change the bottom to minutes, right? So I need minutes down here, and I need seconds up here to cancel with these seconds. So what's the conversion that I'm going to use? Well, I'm going to use the fact that there are 60 seconds for every 1 minute. And so now this will cancel with seconds, and I have minutes on the bottom, which is what I want. So I'm done with that. So now I've got to deal with the centimeters. Well, what conversion can I use to go from centimeters to meters? Well, I'm going to use, I need meters on the bottom. Oh, no. Whoop. Meters on top, because I want meters per minute. So I need meters on top and centimeters on the bottom to cancel with the centimeters on top over here. So what do I know? Well, there are 100 centimeters for every 1 meter. And so that'll do it. So centimeters cancel, and I've got meters on top, minutes on the bottom, and so now all I have to do is, again, multiply across the top and the bottom and divide. So that's going to give me 1360 times 60 divided by 100, and this is going to be meters per minute. And so what's the answer? Once I put that in my calculator, it's going to be 816. So 816 meters per minute. And that is the answer. Okay. Now again, we didn't convert to miles or inches or anything like that, but if we wanted to, we could do that. If we start with miles and we want to convert from miles to kilometers, we could use these conversion factors and use them as a unit ratio. Talk to you later.